The Home Ministry has allowed the Indian Railways to operate special passenger trains to ferry stranded migrant workers, pilgrims, tourists, students. Several special Shramik trains began functioning across the country. Shramik trains with 350 migrant labourers have now reached Bhopal this morning from Maharashtra's Nashik district, and the labourers were screened at Bhopal railway station before boarding 20 buses to their hometown arranged by the Madhya Pradesh government. Another train carrying more than 1,000 migrants left for Patna from Jaipur. The migrants were departed with applause by the officials, and another two special trains from Aluva departed for Bhubaneswar. Trains from Nashik departed for Lucknow and Patna, and a train carrying stranded students from Kota was also in place and departed for Jharkhand's Hatia. 24-coach Shramik special train arrived last night in Jharkhand's Hatia carrying 1,200 stranded labourers.
हम बम्बई सर रहते थे, वहाँ से हमको 1 महीना 2 दिन हो गए मेरे को नासिक में। वहाँ से मेरे को कल निकाला इन लोगों ने। सरकार ने मेरे को इधर बुला लिया, अपनी मध्य प्रदेश सरकार ने अच्छा किया। हम यही चाहते थे हमारी सरकार हमको कब बुलाए। 1 महीना 2 दिन मेरे को हो गया उधर रहने, खाना पीना भी अपन को ढंग से नहीं मिल रहा था।
Satyajit is now joining us live from Ranchi for the very latest on this. Satyajit, we can say that there is some sort of a respite finally coming in for the migrants, because now state governments have swung into action after the MHA order as well, and we can see those happy faces leaving the platform too. Just take a look at those visuals that are just coming in at the moment. Respite finally coming in for the stranded migrant labourers, Satyajit.
Yes, of course. They heaved a sigh of relief and they were visibly happy last night when they arrived at Hatia railway station. All of them were stranded for more than 38 days, 40 days, and they were feeling absolutely comfortable when they came back home. DC Ranchi was there to receive them. The senior police officials were there, and they were given a rose as a welcome gesture. After that, the administration had arranged more than 25 to 30 buses for different locations in Jharkhand, for different districts. They were asked to board the bus after the SOPs, and then they were sent back to their respective places, where they will be quarantined for 14 days. Meanwhile, CM Hemant Soren has promised that he will arrange for the employment also. Manrega in Jharkhand has already started. Of course, the labor payment is only 194 bucks, but employment will be generated. This has been this is the blanket assurance from CM Hemant Soren. So at last they have heaved a sigh of relief, and they were looking visibly happy coming back home.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks much, Satyajit, for bringing us those details from Ranchi. Rohit Singh is also reporting from Patna. Rohit, it was so amazing to see those happy faces leave from Patna as well, go back to their hometowns, and what an applause they got from the local authorities there as well. Finally, the right kind of respite coming in for them. Heartwarming indeed.
Well, absolutely. The stranded migrant laborers will be extremely happy and delighted that they are back home. And today also at around 1 this afternoon, there is a special train from Jaipur, which has started last night at 10 o'clock, which it will be reaching the Danapur railway station. And 1187, that is 1187 passengers are there, migrant laborers are there from various parts of Bihar. They will be coming here at around 1 o'clock. Obviously, as per the procedure is there will be a medical examination which will be conducted, screening will be done, and then there will be several buses of the state government which has already been pressed into action, and these migrant laborers will be sent to various districts from where they belong. And as per the SOP, there are quarantine centers that have been created in each and every district, and at the level of block level also. So they will be sent to at least 14 days quarantine, and after that they can only go home. But visibly it would be they would be very happy. At least they are back in their own home state.
All right, leave it at that. Rohit Singh reporting from Patna, getting us all the latest details as far as the migrant laborers are concerned, and indeed from the visuals that are coming in. Finally, better late than never, but you can see those happy migrants at least go back to their hometowns. They were stranded for a rather long time. Thanks for getting us that report, Rohit. We'll take a very short commercial break.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.